yon is 4. Nin means person. 4 plus person makes yonin, meaning 4 people. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. Watch out. We drop the n. It is not yonin, but yonin. Sen is 1,000. En is the Japanese currency. 4 plus 1,000 plus yen makes yonsen-en, meaning 4,000 yen. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. Unlike yonin, you keep the n. It is yonsen-en. 3 is 3. 3 plus 1,000 plus yen makes sanzen-en, meaning 3,000 yen. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. Notice the sound change. Sen becomes zen. 10 is 10. Hun means minute. 10 plus minute makes juppun, meaning 10 minutes. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. Notice the sound change. 10 plus hun becomes juppun. A small 2 makes a quick pause. 8 is 8. 100 is 100. 8 plus 100 plus yen makes 800 yen, meaning 800 yen. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. Notice the sound change. 8 plus 100 becomes 800. A small 2 makes a quick pause. Ya means shop. 8 plus 100 plus shop makes yaoya, meaning Greengrocer. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is A. This is a special reading. In ancient Japan, 800 meant a massive amount. A shop with many kinds of vegetables is a yaoya. Q is 9. Ji means o'clock. 9 plus o'clock makes kuji, meaning 9 o'clock. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is A. Watch out. 9 is usually Q, but for time, we say ku. 7 is 7. Nichi means day. 7 plus day makes nanoka, meaning the 7th day of the month, or 7 days. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. This is a special reading for the calendar. Just remember it. 10 plus day makes 10日, meaning the 10th day of the month, or 10 days. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. This is another special calendar reading. Just remember it.